Things are always changing in the garden. I've had to come down here this morning and do some maintenance on my teepee that is holding up our passion fruit. I've never had passion fruit grow so well. Gardening is a constant change. Nothing ever lasts forever. This is one of the great reasons that I love gardening, is that growing stuff is a continual learning process and a continual doing process and a continual enjoyment of the process. So having to drive some bamboo stakes into the ground to tie up my teepee to make it a bit stronger, to give it the passion fruit vine that has exploded some support, is a good thing. Being in the garden and looking at the garden and enjoying the nature of change and how everything just continues to evolve and adapt, and so I have to evolve and adapt. Quite often I'm looking at YouTube and I'm reading, I'm researching and finding out how to do things, but I also know that I'm not searching for the one correct way, the one right way of doing something, because I don't believe there is. I knew when I built the teepee out of bamboo that it wouldn't last forever. I don't expect it to. And part of the enjoyment of being in the garden is continually working on these things and building them up and repairing them. I've had to put some additional props in here because it's grown so big. That's a good problem. And it's one of those things that, I'm just sort of not sure what to do. I'll have a look at it. I've made some plans. I've got some ideas. I'll implement those, but over the next few days and few weeks, I'll continue to have a look and see what needs changing. I'm not going to be looking at YouTube. I'm not going to be looking at other resources online. I'm going to be looking at my teepee and at my plant and getting a feel for what's happening, looking at the weather, looking at the environment, and making those changes to suit. Because nobody else can give me the correct answer for exactly what I need to do here. I don't even know. This is part of the fun of learning and enjoying being in the gardens. So be encouraged that if you're working on a project, if you're working in the garden and you're not 100% sure of what you're doing, don't beat yourself up about it. Don't get stressed if you can't find the correct answer anywhere online, because quite often the answer isn't readily available until you've actually stopped to think about it. I've come down here a few times over the last couple of days and looked at this and walked around it and thought, okay, this is what I need to do, and these are the steps that I'll take to right the situation that could be a bit devastating. If it was to fall over and to collapse, it would be quite disappointing. Yesterday I came down and added some structure to it, but it's still not strong enough, so I thought about it overnight, and this morning I'm coming down, I'm adding some more posts. I'll drive these into the ground, I'll connect the poles on the teepee to it, and we'll continue on. And it's always good fun to be continuing to do fun stuff and cool stuff in the garden. If you'd like to see another project that I've done recently that I did without consulting the internet and have developed something new in the garden that's been really fun, you can check out this video next. And thanks very much for watching this one all the way through.